Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, what you gonna do? I tell you, auntie, tell you, uncle, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell your friend. So them for tune in to this channel, right? Drop a like, leave a comment, share it with everybody where you can share it with. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, because when you do that, then you will make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning on YouTube.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 9 from verse 46 to verse 48. Jesus' special follower them did argue about which one of them might have the top position in the group. Jesus didn't know where them did think, so he make one picnic turn upside of him. Jesus said to them, say, anybody will welcome that little picnic here. Cause him trust in me, welcome me too. And anybody will take me take in the one will send me to. The one monks who know where they are the bottom, are him of the top position. I got what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.